Hey guys, welcome to another home lab video here today. In today's video, I'll be showing you my other home lab purchase that I have done, which is more of a personal purchase as opposed to for my home lab. But since I use this item daily, I figured let's make a video of it and show you kind of hopefully all the things that I am expecting of this. So it is the Logitech MX Master mechanical keyboard. Which I am hoping I will love because I actually have their MX Master 3S mouse and I've loved it. The main feature about it that I love is the 3-link Bluetooth, so you can do it with multiple devices, and because I have a desktop, a laptop, and a few other devices, it's super neat that you can switch between them without needing multiple different things or like unplugging a dongle and plugging it in somewhere else. So that's kind of why I went for the mechanical MX keyboard as well. So hopefully it kind of meets everything. So we'll do an unboxing and then we'll do a little bit of typing to kind of show what it kind of all entails. So let's get started. All right, so with the box, it is I got the full-size keyboard. I also got the Clicky version as well. They also have a tactical and a linear, which are quieter. So depending on what you want, the Clicky should be very clicky because I think they're MX Blue. The tactical is more of the quieter ones. You'll feel a little bit of clickiness, but I think the MX cherries, the red ones. And I don't know of the linear specifically, but I got the clicky one, so hopefully these are very clicky, and I'm excited to do it. But this is the full size keyboard. So like I got a Razer Huntsman over here that I've been using because I wanted a smaller keyboard, but I didn't realize it was actually a hooked up keyboard. But I've had it for about like 2 years, so I was like, it's time to upgrade. So you can see how this one is the 66%. This is the full keyboard. So let's unbox this. So we're gonna need to open it up. So there's two sides to open it up. Let's open it up here. Oh, well, that sticker just kind of came off. And then the bottom has two as well. And then you should be able to just open it up. So the keyboard already looks pretty amazing. So there's instructions on what you can do. So you can either hook it up via Bluetooth, or they have a USB adapter for like some of your older computers. And then you got a few other things on the setup. But the keyboard already feels super nice as I'm opening it. So I'm already very excited about this purchase. So there's the keyboard, here's the dongle, and I'm assuming the documentation is all in here. So we'll leave the box of documentation out. Okay, so it's documentation and the USB cable, which I assume will be used for charging because I have a similar one for my MX Master 3X mouse. So we'll put that to the side. And we'll put this back in the box since it's just documentation. And so we can close the box now. So that's pretty much it for the box, which is kind of what you would expect from a normal keyboard. So close that up, put it to the side. And then what we have here, so there's the dongle, and then we have the keyboard. So let's unbox the keyboard, unwrap it. So you get the full-on kind of Christmas wrap over here. This is the backside of the keyboard, so you got your legs that you can put up, and this is the top of the keyboard, so you kind of get a full-on feel, and it already feels very clicky, so I'm super excited to test it out. So let's move the wrapping paper over. We'll throw it over here for now. And I didn't actually put this leg up all the way, but so you can see here that compared to my other keyboard, you definitely get kind of a similar sizing over, and then you have essentially all your keys. The feel of it feels pretty good. It feels like it's actually kind of raised a little bit more. So like taking a look at it from the sides, you can see that they're slightly raised a little bit on above, but that's okay. But you see they are the MX Blue keys from the top. You can tell that. So we got USB over here for USB-C for power. You turn it on here. It'll give you a green light for it turned on. And then you can see the 3 function where it would be hooked up to essentially. So from there, you can essentially gauge, it's a pretty nice keyboard. I've already loved the clickiness. It's flashing the number 1 to connect. So I'll connect this via my USB in here. So give me 1 second. And hopefully that will just connect to my computer. And then we'll do some typing. Yeah, so stop flashing and connected. So it actually works my computer. You could see the stop menu pop up on the very bottom of the corner. So it now connected. So let's take a look and essentially do some typing and see how it goes. All right, so from here, we're going to do a type racer so we can see the keyboard at the very bottom here. And we will just essentially, hopefully you can hear the clickiness. If not, I might have to do another take. But we will essentially type through a type racer game and maybe do a few just so you can kind of hear and see how it works while typing. So if I... So it took a few times to type a few things, getting used to the keyboard. But you can hear that it actually types pretty well. This one's a little bit longer, so let's see how this goes through. Oh no, I wasn't selected. Wait, am I still not selected? Oh. Huh? There we go. I usually can type a little bit faster, but getting used to the keyboard. This has, 85 words per minute. Still is pretty good, especially when it's a new keyboard. But the sounds are definitely amazing. So far, loving it. It is a pretty snifty keyboard, so I'm looking forward to testing it out with the rest of the stuff, especially on my Mac, and seeing how that goes. There is the start button for actually starting versus the alt button, which is actually command button on a Mac, so you kind of get a good feel of it as you use it. So that's pretty much it for the MX Master Logitech keyboard, Clicky, and so far I think I will enjoy it quite a bit. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!